Testing out QURE's LED mask. After testing countless LED masks, this is my honest review. Keep watching because I do have a discount code and link for you. The QURE mask is excellent for time poor people. I mean, aren't we all? It's really good if you don't want to commit to spending 10 or 20 minutes a day with a mask on your face. This one is 3 minutes. Also customizable according to your skin concerns.
So you connect it to an app via the Bluetooth on your phone, and you can select which treatment you want for which areas of your face. For me, I'm wanting to fight fine lines and build collagen and elastin, but I suffer from monthly hormonal breakouts on my chin. So I've selected anti-aging for the most of my face and anti-breakout for my chin. And then you just chill out for 3 minutes. I was really keen to try this mask after seeing the reviews it got from Dr. Liz, Dr. Shah and Dr. Maxfield. Unlike a lot of LED masks that only have 2 colours or wavelengths of light, this has 5 colours and wavelengths spread across 2 modes. The anti-aging treatment is red, deep red, infrared, amber and blue, and the anti-breakout treatment is blue and red, which is why it looks purple. It's super comfortable to wear. It has a hard shell but soft moulded silicone inside and an adjustable strap. There's no battery pack, so I can just walk around. I don't have any cords hanging off me. 3 minutes a day goes by very quickly. And remember, always clean your mask with alcohol after every use. I'm really happy with the QURE mask. It's comfy, customizable and effective. My skin is more even toned and radiant. There's a link in my stories under the LED mask highlight and on my link tree with a special offer to buy it.